with Scratch video. So to access Scratch, first you have to go to scratch.mit.edu, create your login ID, and once you create your login ID and get into your Scratch, you have an option over here called Create. So if you click here, then this pane opens. This part is the coding window, and here we have different logical blocks like the motion block, looks block, sound block, which you can drag and drop here. And Scratch also provides you these characters, and they're called sprite. And sprite can be accessed through this little kitty icon over here. You can go here and search for anything that you want to code. For example, if you're looking for an animal like a bear walking, you can choose a bear, and whichever sprite you don't like, you can just cross it out, and this bear is your sprite. So this is your main character. And sometimes we also want like backdrops. So you can go here to your right corner, and there's an option called choose a backdrop. And you can search here and pick a backdrop. See, like here, the blue sky. And the bear is standing over here. So this is your actually the output window where actually your program will show. So in order to start a Scratch program, you have this green flag. So whenever this green flag is on, it means go. Your program will do what it is supposed to do. So if you go to your events flag, there is this button called when green flag is clicked. So this needs to be selected. This is the input. This is telling the program to begin doing the work that they want to do. And for example, like I want the bear to move 10 steps. So when I click it, the bear moves 10 steps. If I want bear to glide to a position, like the bear is over here, I want the bear to go over here. So what I do is I place my bear over here, and the current position is -44 and -78. So I pick this current position as the initialization position, or the initial position in which the bear is there. Now when the bear glides to this position, I use this glide option over here, the glide programming logic. So this glide takes the bear, so this X and Y is basically the current position. X is the horizontal axis and Y is the vertical axis. So if I pick and place this over here and start my program, the bear is going to glide from this corner to this corner of the screen. Now I'm going to make it like 2 seconds so that you can see it properly. So the bear is gliding to the other corner of the screen. So this is how you get started with Scratch. You can add multiple sprite to your story, or you can add multiple things like different sprites to your story. For example, if I want to add flowers, let me see if there's any flowers. So I'll just use this rainbow. I want this rainbow over here. So when the bear is on this side of the screen, you can change the size of the rainbow. Here I'm making the rainbow as 200. So the rainbow becomes bigger, and rainbow is over here. So when the program starts, I want the rainbow to hide, and when the program ends, this should appear. So what I do is, again, I go to my events, choose when this flag is clicked. So the entry point of every sprite can be when the star is clicked, or when the flag is clicked. And then you kind of come here, you wait a couple of seconds so that the bear can glide there. So I'll just wait like 3 seconds, and then I'll go into looks. First, this is hidden, so I'll make the rainbow hide. So you code per sprite. So imagine these as your objects or as your friends, and you code one friend at a time. And then I'm going to show it. So let's see what happens. See, when the bear goes to this end, the rainbow appears. I want to make it like 2 seconds so that it coincides with the time. As soon as the bear reaches the end, the rainbow appears. So with Scratch, you can do games, you can do stories, you can do many different things. And hope you've enjoyed this video, and check out my game on jumping ducks next. That will help you get started with Scratch. Thank you.